Okay, so here's Changi Airport. Guys, look at the word. Changi Airport. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Let's go, Ezekiel. Come on. My baby is all energized now. Ezekiel, this way. He was very, very sleepy. I think he was the last child to wake up on the plane. I kept waking him up for a long time. I had to shake him because everyone was getting up about to board, and it was a huge plane. So if we don't get off quickly, we'll have to wait for everyone behind us because the aisles will be packed. So I was like, Ezekiel. He kept sleeping. So I had to shake him, and everyone around started having a laugh. I was like, get up, baby. We have to get going. No, Ezekiel, don't touch it. So they have prayer rooms here. There's a GST refund. I think when you pay tax on something, I don't know how, you get a refund. It must have something to do with the duty-free items at the airport. There's this big cosmetic shop. It goes all the way back. And they are selling all sorts of cosmetic products, different brands. They've got Estee Lauder, they've got Hugo Boss, they've got Acqua di Parma, they got Ralph Lauren, Bulgari, Chanel, and a whole lot. Come on, baby, let's go. Come. We're still walking to where we're supposed to go. Usually when I walk here, it's different when you're taking a video. I don't remember seeing this much walking. Sorry. I had to show the camera to the roof because the lady coming from a distance, she said, oh, nowadays everyone's on video. And she didn't know I heard her, but I heard her, and she seemed a little bit embarrassed when I turned the camera away and apologized for her. And she laughed. Those shoes are really nice. Yeah, they're really, really nice. Let's go. Yeah. It is very colorful, isn't it? Ezekiel likes the colorful carpets. Ezekiel, don't stand in front of the trolley. That's what the trolley I'm coming. Me too. Cheeky monkey. So we're still here. We're going to our terminal. There's the Burberry shop. Burberry. Rimowa. Hermes. I've already walked past this. Oh, this is another one. Yeah, this is a different one. Yeah, it's a very cute bag. Ezekiel is showing me. It's a very cute bag. Look at the size of that bag next to Ezekiel's hand. Ezekiel, put your hand out. Yeah, look at the size of it. What can I fit in there? It's tiny. Like what could... Yeah, let's go.
What is it?
That? I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, if you want to buy it and you have money and you go inside, the lovely staff there will help you. They'll be able to assist you. But I don't have Hermes money right now. I'm carrying enough luggage as it is anyway. But no, I don't have a budget for Hermes. So we move. Ezekiel, watch out. So we still haven't found our boarding gate yet. It's the farthest one away by the look of things. But we've got 3 hours. Our plane landed earlier than scheduled. We've been traveling for a while now. We are still going. It looks like we're almost there. Hold on. Oh, yes, Zico. What's wrong? Oh, F-34 is that way. There's so much to see here. You could easily get carried away, get distracted, lose track of time, and miss your flight. But that's not gonna happen to us, because we are focused, you know? We stay focused, and we keep our eyes focused on our goal. So our goal right now today is to make it to the boarding gate. Use the bathroom close by, relax, sit down somewhere, and then when they call us to check in, we go check in, and then we get on the plane. Our goal in the long term is to arrive at our destination, and you find out about our destination when we get there. Okay, Zico, let's use the automatic elevator. It saves us some walking. So watch out, let me go first. Okay, stand on it. I put the trolley first, he stood on it, and I'm behind him. So these things are automatic. The elevators are excavators. So we're standing on it, and it will take us. It saves us walking. Hold it for me. Just hold it like that, okay?
Don't touch anything, Mama.
Okay, thank you, my dear.
Okay. You're almost
Are
there.
you hungry?
No.
Are you sure? Yeah. So we're looking for F-34. At the moment we're at F-31. I cannot see F-34 in the distance, but I'm sure we are close. Yeah. Okay, Zico, get off. Okay, don't stand over there, okay? Yeah, so we'll go on the next one. Yeah. Wait. I put the trolley first. The trolley. Ezekiel, listen. More listening, less talking, okay? If I have to put the trolley first so it doesn't knock you over, okay? Yeah, we don't want to have any injuries or any accidents. That's why we're doing it in that order. The trolley goes first, and then he gets on with me. Because if he gets on and he starts moving, and I'm trying to get on the trolley, he may panic and try and run back. But this thing is moving in one direction, so he could just trip over, and yeah. That's why we're doing it in that order. Okay, Ezekiel, it's 11:26 now. We got here at 10:20. We're scheduled to get here. Ezekiel, down, please. Ezekiel.
I just want to get on the bump my head. That's why I'm walking on over there, Mama. What?
Can also be very
Mama. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to walk on that silver side.
Oh, okay.
That's why I didn't want to have self, Mama.
Okay, Ezekiel.
Yeah, that's why I have to get on that
Okay.
silver thing for me to walk.
Yeah. Okay, Ezekiel.
Oh, what's that over there? Oh, look at
Okay.
the garden, Mama.
Yeah, I think it's for this. Don't stand in front of the trailer, Ezekiel. It's for the thing, the cafe here. I think it's for the cafe. You get your food and you eat. Oh, by the way, those were our flight attendants.
Baba.
No, just wait. It's gonna be cold in the plane. Okay? Magadiu. Okay, so we finally arrived at our boarding gate. Okay. Cool. Okay, guys. I'm gonna take Ezekiel to the bathroom and I'll see you guys shortly.